From finely crafted pistols to last-ditch prototypes, this is the full story of Germany's World War II arsenal. Every weapon they fielded revealed in one video. Starting off with pistols, handguns, Luger P8, a classic profile, highly praised by Allied soldiers as a war trophy. It was renowned for its craftsmanship, but was complex and costly to manufacture. Walther P38, designed to replace the costly Luger. It was simpler, cheaper, and more robust, becoming the standard German military sidearm throughout the war. Walther PP and PPK, these pistols serve mainly as sidearms for high-ranking officers, military police, and the Luftwaffe. The PPK variant is famously associated with covert operations. Mauser C96, known for its distinctive wooden holster stock, often called the broom handle. While an older design, it still saw service, especially with support units. Mauser HSC, a compact, reliable double-action pistol. Its sleek design and concealed hammer made it popular for police and naval use. The next one, Jawa 38H, featuring a unique decocking lever. This was a streamlined, high-quality pistol popular among Luftwaffe and Wehrmacht staff officers. Drig M907, an aging pistol used primarily by rear echelon troops and police forces during the war, reflecting Germany's severe need for any available sidearm. Continuing with submachine guns, machine and pistol, MP38, the first major German submachine gun of the war. Its distinctive ribbed receiver simplified construction, though it was still a complex weapon. MP40, an evolution of the MP38. This model optimized production through greater use of stamped steel parts. It became synonymous with the Blitzkrieg soldier MP18, an old veteran. This was the world's first true submachine gun. It was used heavily in World War I, but still issued to some garrison units in the 1940s.